Clever Fox Weekly is a 12-month weekly planner that will help you create the life you desire by defining your short and long-term goals and providing the tools to help achieve them. First, let's take a look at the features of the planner. Clever Fox Weekly Planner comes in a convenient A5 size, measures 5.8 by 8.3 inches, and weighs around 1 pound. It will fit perfectly in your purse or work bag. It comes in a beautiful keepsake box and features an inner pocket, 3 sheets of colorful planner stickers, 3 colorful ribbon bookmarks, a pen loop, and an elastic closure. An important feature of this planner is that it is non-dated, so unlike most yearly planners, you can start using it at any time of the year without wasting a page. It's totally up to you to fill in the months and dates. Because the planner is not dated, we had to change the structure of the pages a little, so it's a little different from the traditional dated planner structure that you may be used to. Apart from filling in the dates yourself, the main difference is that all 12 months come right up front and are then followed by the 52 individual weekly spreads. This design was intentional. If we put 4 weekly spreads after each monthly spread, it wouldn't be possible to start the planner in the middle or at the end of the month, or continue using it where you left off if you have to take a break. At the back of your planner, you'll find over 50 dot grid pages, perfect for brainstorming ideas, note-taking, sketching, doodling, shopping lists, contacts, addresses, and just about anything you can imagine. Now let's take a look at each section of the planner in more detail. You start off with the Gratitude and Self-Awareness section. List all the things for which you are grateful. Next, get clear on what you are passionate about. The Daily Rituals page is your opportunity to think about your morning routines, skills you want to learn, and habits you want to adopt this year. You can write down a list of your favorite affirmations on this page as well. Your personal vision board. With words and images, create a vision board that shows all the dreams and aspirations you want to come to fruition. Your 1-year goals. List the top 3 goals of each area of your life. Your focus and mind map. Having clear priorities and focusing on them is the key to success. Choose only your 5 most important goals for this year and stick to them. Next, an entire page is devoted to mind map. If you haven't tried mind mapping before, here's your chance. Think of it as an opportunity to brainstorm a little more about how you'll achieve your goals. Monthly view. The monthly view has a similar Sunday to Saturday calendar, space for notes, a section for this month's goals and tasks, and a section for the things that will make your month great. Also, think about places you can go and people you'd like to see and what distractions you should avoid this month. At the end of each month, you have a short review section. Identify your biggest wins, lessons, or insights gained during the month. Weekly view. On the left side, you will find space for each day of the week, starting on Monday. Note that the monthly view starts on Sunday and the weekly view starts on Monday. This was done intentionally to make sure you have more writing space during the week's workdays. Here, you can write down appointments, daily tasks, and reminders for the day. You can even split each day into several columns and customize them any way you want. Please note that this is a weekly version, and unlike the daily version, it does not contain an hourly schedule for each day of the week. On the right side, you start off by setting this week's main goals. You can even set a specific reward for yourself for reaching this goal. Next, write down this week's priorities. Use the Notes section with the dot grid space for your notes, doodles, or anything you like. You can also use this area to create your own custom extension to the weekly layout. There is a separate to-do list for your personal tasks and errands. Bring more healthy habits and positive daily rituals into your life and stick to them by using the habit tracker. These could be your workout routines, meditation, or even something as simple as drinking a certain amount of water every day. At the end of the week, this section, consisting of this week's wins, how I'll improve next week, will help you analyze and evaluate your week. With an elegantly simple design and thoughtful prompts, the Clever Fox Planner will help set you up for success, which just might go beyond what you can envision. Clever Fox Planner. Stay organized, stay clever.